Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by downloading and running the Dropbox installer. This is the first decisive action. Once you launch the installer, grant administrator permissions so the app can create the Dropbox folder and background service. Make sure you sign in with the correct Dropbox account. This links cloud files to your machine. If you have multiple accounts, decide which to sync now. These steps set up the app and authenticate you, so syncing can start automatically after setup finishes. Now you choose exactly what to keep on your computer, so storage stays manageable. Open Preferences, go to Sync, and use Selective Sync to check or uncheck folders. This controls local disk usage. If you need the Dropbox folder on another drive, move it under Location. Dropbox will reindex contents, so be patient. Also, limit upload/download speeds if your network is shared. Once done, Dropbox begins downloading chosen files. Make sure enough space remains for pending transfers. Finish by confirming everything synced as expected. Check the system tray icon to see status. If some files failed, open the Dropbox app to view errors and follow prompts, often a permission or path issue. For conflicting edits, compare versions in the app and choose which to keep, then delete duplicates to avoid loops. If syncing stalls, restart the Dropbox app or your computer, and make sure Selective Sync still includes the folders you need. That usually clears the last hurdles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.